exact amount of caustic soda needed to perfectly saponify your oils, today I will show you how to use a saponification table to calculate sodium hydroxide for any batch size. If you are serious about soap production, you must understand how to calculate caustic soda instead of guessing recipes with measuring cups and spoons. In this tutorial, we will calculate caustic soda for 2 grams of oil batch using PKO, coconut oil and palm oil. Is today your first time of hearing this voice? You are welcome to our YouTube channel. Please watch this video till the end. Don't skip any parts to benefit every details of this tutorial. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more educative content like this. Now let's dive into the calculation. So today we'll be using, like I said earlier, we'll be using 3 oil for this illustration. The first oil we'll be using is palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil. The second oil will be coconut oil. Coconut oil. And the third will be palm oil. And like I said earlier, we'll be doing 2,000 grams. That's the batch of oil we're using for this illustration. So in this batch of oil, 2,000 grams, I'm assuming that palm kernel oil we need 60% of palm kernel oil. And 60% of 2,000 grams, 60% will give us 0.6 times 2,000 grams, and it will be 1,200 grams. And coconut oil will be needing 10%, and 10% of 2,000 grams. Because of space, I will just say it. You can calculate it. 10% of 2,000 grams will give us 200 grams. That's 0.1 times 2,000 grams. It will give us 200 grams. And for coconut oil, we'll be needing 30%. And 0.3 times 2,000 grams. I hope you can see what I'm writing. Sorry. 0.3 times 2,000 grams. That will give us 600 grams. And if we calculate it, 1,200 plus 200 will give us 14, plus 600, that's what 2,000 grams in total. So now we have known our oil batch, and everything here is 100%. That's 60 plus 10, 70 plus 30, 100. So now we know our oil batch. Now what we are looking for is the caustic soda, because as a beginner, most times we know our oil batch, but we don't know the caustic soda. And most beginners now fall into guessing recipe, maybe using measuring cup, or they only depend on what they see online, repeating recipe. But after watching this video today, you can start calculating your own recipe like a pro. Each oil has a saponification value. This tells us how much caustic soda is needed to convert 1 gram of oil into soap. So now, looking at this table, there is a sap value for each oil. Let's assume that in this batch of production, we are using like peanut oil, coconut oil, or we are using shea butter. Each of them has saponification value. And there is a table in Google where you can lift it up. So now, lifting up the saponification value of palm kernel oil from table, we have 0.178. So for us to know the amount of caustic soda needed to saponify this 1,200 grams of oil, what will we do? Like I did it to make it easier. Weight is A, sap value is B. Then amount of caustic soda needed is A times B. Meaning that for us to get the amount of caustic soda we need to saponify this 1,200 grams of palm kernel oil, what we will simply do is 1,200 grams, that's the weight of the oil, times the saponification value we got from our table. 0.178 equals to what we will have from this. When we do the multiplication, what we get is 213.6. This is the amount of caustic soda that we need to saponify this palm kernel oil to 213.6 grams of caustic soda. So lifting up from the same table, lifting up the saponification coefficient value for coconut oil, what we have is 0.183. So for us to saponify this value of 200 grams of coconut oil, what we will simply do is 200 grams times 0.183, which will give us 36.6 grams. That's the amount of caustic soda we need. For palm oil, the saponification value is 0.142. And for us to saponify this 600 grams of palm oil in this illustration, what we will simply do is, remember that is A times B. That's A is the weight, 600 grams times 0.142, which will give us 85.2. Calculating the three together, what we have is 335.2. That is the amount of caustic soda we need to saponify this 200 grams of oil. I hope I'm clear, if that makes sense to you. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section. I will be there to reply to any of your questions. For solvent value, that's why I use the word solvent, is that it could be that you are making a production with puree, like carrot puree or any other puree, or water, but mostly we use water. This is a typical laundry soap illustration. I will still do a video that will involve butters, that's for bathing soap, but this tutorial is basically for laundry soap. So now for solvent value, the water value, you can either do 1:2, and 1:2, what it simply means is 1 part caustic soda equals to 2 parts water. So in this illustration, if we are doing 1:2, what we simply do is 33.5.2 grams times 2, which will give us 670.4 grams of water. What it simply means, this is the water value you will use to soak this caustic soda in order to saponify 2,000 grams of oil weight. So it can also, and what it simply means is that when you are using lesser water, what it simply means that it will give you stronger light solution, faster trace and harder bar. That is it. But you can also use 1:3. What it simply means is that 1 part caustic soda equals to 3 parts water. What it simply means now, what we will do is 335.2 grams times 3, which will give us 1,005.6 grams of water. This is a higher water. Higher water means slower trace, easier mixing. This will give you more time for easier mixing. You can do a swirl design with this, because you can see that the water value has increased because we did 1:3. That means we'll be using 1,005 grams of water in this production. So it depends on you what you want to achieve in each production. So with this tutorial, you can, if you watch this video till the end, you can go back and rewatch to get more, for it to be more clearer to you. If you watch this video till the end, I bet you that after now you become a pro in your recipe calculation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more educative content like this. Always be good to one another. See you on my next video. Bye.